Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video we are going to discuss about the Audible books, guys, important Audible books. So like this video is going to be complete short video because I didn't have time to shoot the videos, guys. So sorry for that. So this is going to be short video, and don't mind dressing size and don't mind face. So I just now complete webinar with my clients, so I didn't have time to like change my dress and wash my face, guys. So don't mind my face and dressing sense for this video. Sorry for that. And in today's video we are going to discuss about Audible books, guys. Yes guys, now let's discuss what is Audible book, guys. So Audible is nothing but like you're just going to, instead of reading books, you're just going to listen the content of the book, guys. So you might be listening some podcast in Spotify. So in podcast you might be listening some communication between two people. So it's like a talking conversation between two people. And some case, last scenario, you might be listening some news podcast and you might be listening some motivation podcast. So when compared to podcast, Audible completely different, guys. So in Audible you're just going to listen the complete book in Audible in audio way, guys. So like in recent times you might be like you don't have time to read books. That's the reason like I prefer Audible but alternative for reading books, guys. So as a working profession, as an employee in some top major companies, you might have not time to read the books, guys. So Audible helps you a lot, guys. Let me share my example. So recently I didn't have time to read the books. That's the reason I brought the Audible's account. So it's been like 3 months I'm using Audible accounts. I had some credits in that, so I'm using the credits to buy the books from the account, guys. So right now I'm going to suggest with the three things, guys. So the first thing is that, so like whenever like you are as soon as you're waking up morning, just try to listen Audible for at least 30 minutes, guys. So you might be doing some workout, you might be doing some yoga. So at that time, like just play the Audible books and just listen to and do exercise, guys. So why because I'm saying this. So reading in the morning is a good habit. So as I said, if you don't have time, just listen to Audible, guys. The second tip is that, so if you didn't have time at listen to Audibles at morning, so try to read after having a heavy dinner. So after having dinner, just go for some walk for half an hour, 40 minutes. So at that time, just put your headset in your ears and just play some audiobooks and listen to it, guys. So instead some movies, some podcasts, you can use the time, guys. So one more tip is that, one more last thing when you can listen the audiobooks, guys. So let me say I don't know, in my case, like after eating lunch afternoon, I just feel sleepy. So at time, like to get like out of the sleep, I used to listen sometimes as Audible, guys. So you can use this way. So listening Audible books. So the benefits of listening Audible, because like you don't need to read the like book fully. You just want to listen about the content in book. You're going to listen in audio way. So it's going to help you. So like I don't know, like I just read some reports in Quora. So listening is a great skill, guys. So whenever listening, you just imagine in your mind. Even whenever reading, you just imagine. Like I'm not saying completely stop reading. So you can read at least one book for 1 month. So in my case, I used to complete 2 books in a month. So right now I have been so many interns. I'm doing like interns and I have some freelancing projects. That's the reason I couldn't able to spend time. So that's the reason like I just complete 1 book in a month. So instead of that books, I'm just listening to Audible, guys. So this is what I want to suggest you. Now let me discuss the 3 books which I brought. So I'm going to share. If possible, you can also try that Audible, guys. It's going to help you for your productive tips, guys. Yes, guys. So you might be thinking like, is it worth of investing 200 every month for listening Audibles? Yes, guys, completely worth it, guys. Just invest 200 rupees per month and just listen to Audible, guys. So if you have time, you can buy books. So if you didn't have time, just invest 200 and just get the Audible account, guys. So the first book which I suggest you to do in your life is, guys, how to talk with anyone, guys. So if an introverted person asks me, if a shy person, like you don't know how to communicate with people, you don't know how to communicate with clients, and this is the best Audible, guys. You can just grab this opportunity and listen to this and get client, guys. So like I'm just doing introduction part. So intro is amazing, guys. I felt amazing about this, guys. Guys, that's our first suggestion from my end. And the second one is Atomic Habits, guys. So if you're a person like you're feeling lazy every day, if you're not spending your time productively, you're not like utilizing time in productive way manner, so this is the best Audible, guys. So even I have made one video on tips for like how to be productive in a day. So if you didn't watch that video, link in icon and description, guys. Click on those videos and do watch that video. You'll get clear understanding like how to be productive in your day life. So this is a book, Atomic Habits. So if you want, you can try this out. Yes, guys, the final book, if Audible book is Intelligent Investor. So this is the best book, guys. So the author of this book is Benjamin Graham. So he's the best person investing, guys. So I have been following him from last few years. So he's the best amazing person. He has so many tips on investing sector. So even I brought this book, I didn't have time to read the books. That's the reason I just brought the podcast. So that's the reason I brought the Audible books. So I'm listening to it. So amazing, guys. So like I would recommend the first one, second one for every student. You can just grab both the audiobooks and listen, guys. So the atomic habits depends on person. If you are like, if you couldn't able to manage your time, you can go for it. So if you're okay with time, you can skip that. But this intelligent inversion and the art of saying, so the first book which I said, like habits which you want to, if a person is shy, you can go for it, guys. So these are the 3 books I want to suggest everyone, guys. So that's it for today's video. And if you didn't till join Discord channel, link in description, guys. Do join Discord channel. We have started already few events over there. Don't miss out the opportunities. So next month we have some huge competition over there coming on, so don't miss out the opportunity, guys. Link in the description. Click on, do join Discord channel. I hope this video helps you, and sorry for this video, I'm rushing in this video. I know, like, I didn't have time to shoot, that's the way I'm rushing this video, guys. So guys, thanks a lot.